You have to put up my car on sale, right? And tell me say you sell my car.
Pay for it.
Pay for what?
The ticket.
You say you give me a surprise, you know?
Buy the Vibe Cartel.
So why you never sell your car?
I didn't give us 10, but I said I'm not about to sit on the bleachers. It's too hot for that. The tickets are $15,000, so that's how much he was finna give us $15K for those for the car. So I was gonna.
So when we got VYBZ KARTEL show and come back, when we drive,
go and support the teacher.
I learn already.
What you mean you learned?
You don't say go support the teacher. Yeah, it's true that.
What's up, gang? It's the Tyandtaye gang, and y'all already know when I'm coming back with a banger. As y'all can see, it's been a while, good minute since we gave y'all a banger. So I said I'm about to pick up this camera and I'm about to do a little prank and looking at this other YouTuber, and I saw where they was doing like she did a prank on her man saying she gonna sell his car to go to the Buy Cartel concert in December. So I said, he was already in the process of trying to get his car sold, but he didn't put it out yet. But I'm gonna put it out first. So if y'all are not a part of this channel, make sure y'all become a part of the family right now. Subscribe, comment down below, Team Taye. Yeah. Let's get into this video.
Babe.
Yeah.
So I just got confirmation that I need to go and pick up something.
Okay.
I need to go pick up some cash.
Where you wanna go?
What happened? I'm gonna go make a sale.
Oh, you gonna make a sale?
Yeah.
What are you selling, my love?
I'm selling something.
Where you sell? Me don't know where you sell. Where you sell?
Kind of hard to discuss right now.
Where
Once
I
we
sell?
get, yeah.
You a drug dealer? What hard to sell? Where you sell?
So that's funny if I am.
But where you sell? Where you sell what me don't know about?
Something.
Alright, cool. If you say so.
Is that an issue?
Yeah, cause me don't know where you sell.
Why do you have to know what I'm selling? It's a surprise. How about that? It's a surprise. So I got this deal, right? And you gonna be so excited.
For the deal?
Yes. Like, it's ching.
Okay.
It's money. So once I go pick it up, then yeah. So once I pick it up, wherever you trying to go. You tired?
Not really.
And then we can go to wherever you trying to go, because I know once we leave out and go to where you trying to go, we ain't gonna be done no time soon.
Hold on, babe.
You sure?
I hope which number this is for me.
Cause like, don't be doing too much.
Hello? No, I'm not selling my car. Where did you get that idea from? No, my car is not for sale. You saw it on Marketplace. Selling. Maybe you have the wrong number and the wrong car.
No, that wasn't the wrong number.
What do you mean?
That's what I was gonna say, cause
What?
I was gonna sell your car.
Then if you sell my car, me ain't not talk about that.
Because I was gonna get the Vibe
What be
car.
a fuck you going with, man? Babe, you have to put up my car on sale, right? And tell me say you sell my car.
Because I wanted to buy the Vibe Cartel.
So why you never sell your car?
Because how we gonna get there?
So my car gonna make we get there?
But you was gonna sell your car anyways.
No, sir, I don't know about that. I be a fuck you going with that. I don't know about that. My car can't sell if we got no VYBZ KARTEL.
But the tickets are $15,000, so that's how much he was finna give us $15K for those for the car. So I was gonna.
So when we got VYBZ KARTEL show and come back, when we drive. With the bumbuckler. Explain that to me. So when we got VYBZ KARTEL, right? We take in VYBZ KARTEL, listen VYBZ KARTEL music, and then come back home. When we drive.
My car.
You're mad, man. You're not ready. You're not ready. That car. So you can call back the people and tell the people, so my car is not for sale.
But babe, you told me a couple of weeks ago that you was gonna put it up for sale. So I just go ahead and did it for you. Like, I thought you would be happy. You should be happy that I got the sale for your car, because I thought that that's what you was originally gonna do.
But not for VYBZ KARTEL show.
Why?
Then me go sell my car for VYBZ KARTEL show.
It was a surprise.
Surprise for you, but no surprise to me. VYBZ KARTEL can't be surprised to me.
It was a surprise for both of us.
Yeah. You know that serious for me sell my car because of VYBZ KARTEL.
Why? I thought you wanted to go and see him.
We can't go, but me not sell my car.
So how are we gonna get the money to do it?
I guess we're not gonna go to the show then.
But we have to go. I already told my friends them that I already bought an outfit and everything for this concert.
No show up. When we reach airport, just no show up.
How am I not supposed to show up when I already told everybody? I blasted all over social media.
But that's your fault. So all we have to
you're not gonna sell your car?
No.
So how we finna get the tickets? If the tickets is $15,000, are you gonna pay for it?
Pay for what?
The ticket.
You say I give me a surprise, you know?
I was gonna use your car to sell for the surprise.
Well, surprise boss, so figure something else out.
I didn't have a plan B. That was my plan A.
I'm sorry to bust your bubble. Sell your car.
But I can't sell this one. Then what we gonna drive?
So what me did for drive?
You said you was gonna sell it, so I thought.
I did say I was gonna sell it, but unfortunately I didn't put up a for sale sign. So that means to say I'm never ready for sell my car yet. You check?
But babe, like,
me don't know where I try, but babe, for me no, there's nothing you can say out of your mouth. Where you gonna make me sell my car?
I did so much to offer him this 15 because he was trying to give us 10, but I told him that we didn't want to be on the bleachers.
So you negotiate for something enough for you? You can't negotiate my car, man.
Why?
Enough for you. If you negotiate something enough for you.
But babe, $15,000?
But you still not hear me. I say enough for you. You can't sell what's not yours.
But I want to go to the Buy KARTEL concert.
Go. You can go.
Because guess what?
No.
We got to pay for the plane. We got to pay for the hotel. We got to pay, like, we ain't going to be in no regular hotel.
And my car did not go cover that?
Yes, that was
my
the plan.
My car did not go cover that?
Yes, we ain't going to no regular hotel.
So when we go enjoy the
resort.
when we got the VYBZ KARTEL show, buy plane ticket and all these things, resort. When we come back home, how me move around? That me ask you straight, you can't give me an idea. Tell me drive your car. Me not drive your car. You see your car, what challenge something, a woman car is. Me not know that. That me not depend. You feel me?
But babe, the man already said we could be on the way there to him.
Call back the man and tell the man say the car is not for sale. Argument done. That's it. End of discussion. We're not talking about this no more. That makes no sense.
So you mean to tell me I negotiated 15 because he was trying to give us 10, but I said I'm not about to sit on the bleachers. It's too hot for that. I want to be closer to him, right? I was trying to be closer to VYBZ KARTEL. And I thought that we would be closer to him.
You're not listening with me, I say. You still not listen. You tell me we're too closer to him. The bleachers, none of that have nothing to do with my car. My car, me I talk about.
But I wasn't going to like we can always go and get you like a 2001.
So that man before while in a relationship, you know. So the man feel always have the fucked up shit and have the nice shit, right? And so you go?
No.
So oh yeah, tell me something if we go get a 2001 car when me carry a 2008. You know how that work?
Babe, I want those concert tickets.
Then me not just tell us to figure it out, man. Me not just say that to you.
But it was a surprise, babe. You was supposed to be going.
Surprise with my car and my vehicle. And that you not understand. And for me, if me say me I go sell it and you hear me tell you say me I go sell it, me no give you no reason to go advertise my car or sell. Cause you don't know when me want to sell.
Well, you gave the idea that you was finna sell it. So I said, okay, well, why not I help Bay out and just surprise him?
You not help me out. A cartel you want to see, cartel show you want to see, and me help out.
I said, why don't I just surprise him? Surprise him and just sell it myself, get the money, and go to VYBZ KARTEL, book a nice resort or Airbnb. I already talked to the Airbnb lady, and it was at a nice, like a really nice place. This was supposed to be like the best vacation ever. Like literally the best vacation.
Well, no,
And you mean to tell me that...
Come in and sell my car if we go support no VYBZ KARTEL show. End of discussion, me done. No more.
Everybody supporting him.
Me and everybody.
You a part of everybody. What you mean?
No. Because sell VYBZ KARTEL.
So what you was finna do with the money that you sell the car that you sell?
You buy a new car? Buy a later model? What about?
Yes, but
So
why not
yes,
just
but-
go and support the teacher?
I learn already.
What you mean you learned?
You don't say go support the teacher? Me a student. So I learn already.
Oh my gosh. I already told this man I'm on my way. I'm excited. I'm about to get a bag so we can go to the show. Show is a few months away. So how am I supposed to get this money? Are we gonna...
Babe, we don't talk about this. This now.
We're gonna sell it and that's it. That's done with.
The last time I check out your name upon the title, so I don't know how you're gonna tell me that the story there. We are gonna sell it and that's it. Where you get your style from, man?
Okay, well I guess I'll leave you behind because I'm going to the
That's fine, I don't have a problem with that. Leave me behind and text me and call me too and tell me how you enjoy the bleachers or the show.
The bleachers.
Then that's what you can pay for.
I'm not going to the bleachers.
So where
I'm
you
going on the stage.
Good for you.
That's where I'm going. I thought you was going to be supportive and actually go there with
Yeah,
me.
we can.
And enjoy both of ourselves, being that we need this long vacation.
You know, hear me, I said we can, but not with my car money.
It's okay, because it was a prank anyways. What you mean? You don't want to go support?
Go for support too.
So if it was for your money, then you wouldn't support. If it was for anybody else's money, you go support.
It was for money that we're not spending, that's fine. But for me to sell my car, I'm going to use the money there, go see VYBZ KARTEL, and then come back and look in your face and ask if you lend me the car key every minute. You're mad to blood. Yeah, idiot. Give me a style, bro. I'm not hurt, boss.